This is part 22 of the Nothing Something series. Go from 100 credits on a fresh count to the titanium white Reaper. So make sure I subscribe so don't miss an episode. 1k thumbs up for the next part. And yeah, let's jump straight into it. So this is what we are dealing with from the previous episode. We've got loads of painted octanes, 2 titanium white black market. It's probably the most high demand ones in the game. And yeah, we're going to see what we can work around with today and make even more profit as always. But this is going to be the post with the credit values. The Dueling Dragons, I feel like we're reaching a little bit there. The titanium white main is not shifting either, so we may have to adjust prices here and there, just obviously see how it goes. But yeah, first of all, we're going to be doing a cheeky little trade just to start off with, you know. It's the start of the episode. Don't want to dive in straight away buying white octanes like last time. We're going to take it easy, buying ourselves a titanium white smoke show. That's what it's called. On the spreadsheet, yeah, it's dropped off big time, but you can still get yourself at least 200 credits for this thing, maybe 250. So yeah, free profit at the end of the day. So this is an example of why you don't trade at like 3:30 in the morning, because something like this happens and you think you're buying an item which actually is the wrong item. I don't know why I did this, but of course, this is going to be the post. Looking pretty decent. Like, there's not really much change at all, but we've got the Dueling Dragons right there. Got the octanes, which should shift off quite easily, but that Dueling Dragon sold later on definitely needs to go, which is a little spoiler, but this is going to be the next trade. We bought a grey slipstream, and I don't know why last episode I thought it was black. Grey on the spreadsheet is 400 credits, so I thought realistically we could try shift off for a different black market. That's going to be the only way, where there's no way on earth we're getting credits for this thing. So we're getting ourselves a nice little gravity bomb, which I do believe is around the same sort of value, 400 credits at min, and all of these ads, which significantly, they're not going to do that much. We're on episode 22 of a series, but still, we can use them as ads maybe in the future, and yeah, make a little bit of profit if we guarantee another trade. So I guess we'll take it. Allow me to prove the point of how certain items, if they work, you've got to stick to it and just make that quick and easy profit, despite the fact it might be a little bit boring. You know, you can't say no to free credits at the end of the day. So obviously, this is going to be the post we're rocking with. Not even including the, what is it, the titanium white gold explosion, by the way. Just all the most expensive items, and I found someone actually looking for this gold explosion. So maybe there's a bit of demand there still. Not a clue why there would be, considering the brand new season's in like, I think a month, which should be very interesting, of course. Cannot wait for season, what is it, 12? Yeah, we're getting through the seasons now, let's just say that. But yeah, getting ourselves 100 credits, and also these items, we've got regular zombies, they're going to be at least 100 credits, and a titanium white animus GP, which is going to be so difficult to sell. But yeah, more than happy to take that trade. Now, with hindsight, I would not have done this trade, obviously, because yeah, there's been a lot of news at the moment about painted apex, and oh my god, we've got a video coming out very soon. They're in the bid. I've got no other words for it, but yeah, this is going to be the post. Looking pretty good, to be fair. We've got the octanes, which we are going to be shifting off, making the post a little bit clearer. And yeah, we are going to be getting ourselves some lime painted apex. So first of all, we'll go over what we're saying. We've got a chameleon right there. Obviously not really worth that much. So we've got all the octanes, which add up to around, I think, total just over 1,000 credits. If I was going for the minimum value, which it probably is realistic, to be honest. And then we're getting lime apex on the spreadsheet. You can see that massive dip. It's nothing compared to titanium white, though. Like I said, in the video soon, we're going to go over all of them. But yeah, we're going for the lime apex. Obviously, a week ago, though, still in a very good trade. Let's just say that. And when you've got black markets, they're a bit weird, to be honest, because painted items normally result in, like, better results and more credits. But when you've got painted ones, they don't sell. Regular ones, for example, sell immediately, pretty much. But this is going to be the post. Looking pretty decent. We're looking for 2k for the apex, because I did this, like, over a week ago. So I actually don't know what the price was back then. But I think 2k, sort of reasonable. But yeah, this is going to be the next trade right here. Just a little shift off of the gravity bomb. You know, we paid a grey slipstream, which was averaging around 400 credits on the spreadsheet. No way on earth was I getting 400 for that thing, though. Who wants to buy a grey slipstream in 2023? I will wait, because it's just not going to happen at all. But regular gravity bomb has a bit of demand, because obviously you're getting a regular version of a black market. And yeah, 400 credits minimum value, can't say no. And I remember we paid 2 titanium white Fenix to get this Dueling Dragon, because the Fenix weren't selling at all. I don't know what it is. No one cares in the world for a painted Fenix. Like, I don't know what it is. The regular ones are good, but yeah, we're going to have to shift off. This is obviously going to be the post right here. For the Dueling Dragons, we're looking for 2.9. Very ambitious, dare I say, getting a maximum value out of that thing. But yeah, it didn't happen whatsoever. We've had it for like 2 episodes, so it's time to let go. This thing on the spreadsheet right now, 2.7 to 2.9k, so we're looking for the max. But it wasn't happening. I know it's rising a little bit on the spreadsheet, but it doesn't help that much when, I guess, there's not really that many players sort of trading for items like this, I guess. I don't really know. But getting ourselves 2.5 is literally the best we could do. So yeah, a bit of a painful one, but I guess we'll take the credits. We are moments away from picking up a certified white octane. And if you want to buy your own white octane, go to aoa.com, link in the description, and use the code ZENIC at the checkout. It's going to get you a cheeky little discount as well. But moving on to the next trade. This one, very glad I did this looking back, because Apex right now, I couldn't think of a worse item to even invest in, because yeah, they're dropping like absolutely nothing. But yeah, this is going to be the next post. Yeah, it's looking alright, to be fair. You know, we've got the mainframe right there, the other 2 items, and the Apex, we're looking for 2k, so we're going to go for an item a little bit easier. Let's just say that. So it's going to be the white zombies, which on the spreadsheet right now, they are 2k. So a little bit more than the Apex are as of right now anyway. And I do believe, yeah, we're getting ourselves a couple hundred credits on top as well. So definitely cannot complain. And I really should go into the archive, see if I've got any hidden gems in there, because I found this in the archive, unarchived it, and I literally completely forgot about it. Not even joking. But it's going to be the next post, looking very solid, to be honest. If you do the white zombies, just make it look a little bit more satisfying, considering their titanium white. Still, we've got the Nero agitator, and obviously that white mainframe to shift as well. But next up, yeah, we're going to be shifting off the black overgrowth. Didn't even realize this is this expensive, but on the spreadsheet right now, 300 to 400 credits, and obviously getting ourselves the minimum value right here, 300 credits. I'm not going to complain. Did not have a clue it's actually worth this much, but yeah, we'll definitely take it. And let's begin with the first titanium white octane being bought of this episode. Yep, we've got another one at the end, so just you wait and see. But of course, this is going to be the post, looking very, very decent. Of course, you know, they're quite standard. They are the same sort of post most of the time. All we've done is add the credits there. Nothing else needs to be done. But yeah, next up, we're going to be buying ourselves a titanium white octane. So, on the spreadsheet as of right now, I think, yeah, it's been flatlining quite a bit. It's around 7.4k max, and it's sitting around 7k right now. And this is when it was actually, like, massively rising. So we paid 7.1k. So you may be thinking, why on earth have you done that? But obviously, this is done in advance. So you'll have to wait and see. What do we sell it for? And when you've got standard items like the zombies, octane, stuff like that, they are going to sell quite easily. So for the white zombies, they definitely got shifted off a lot quicker than I thought they would, to be honest. But yeah, this is going to be the post. Once again, chilling. We've got the octane listed right there for 7.4k. Look for the max, because at this point, yeah, like I said, the octanes were going crazy rising, to be honest. And yeah, we are going to be obviously shifting off the white zombies here for 1,950. I think there were 1.9 min when I did this. It's quite hard looking back because I'm pre-recording quite a bit. But even so, that's between the mid and minimum value. I'd look for that price regardless anyway. And if I was looking for quick and easy credits, should I say, yeah, I probably would take this regardless anyway. 1,950 credit. So yeah, I guess it would take it. Thank God the Apex is gone as well. And I genuinely think about an hour, maybe an hour and a half later, we actually got this trade. Nothing was going in my favor whatsoever. The octane wasn't selling. Mainframe still wasn't shifting off. And no deals were popping up. So yeah, this is obviously the post. Nothing was happening over at all. The Nero wasn't selling at all. Obviously, the Animus wasn't selling either. So, we got left in a situation where we go for an item that a lot of pros using right now. And it's going to be the Titanium White Airstrike on the spreadsheet right now. Not really that high, but people are actually offering the minimum value quite consistently for stuff like this randomly. So we paid 2,350. I guess we'll just see how that works out. And as I said previously, you know, we were doing this when the octanes were absolutely booming. The whole market was just rising. So this is definitely a gamble. I cannot remember what we even sold it for if we did sell it eventually. But this is going to be the post, of course, looking pretty decent. Like the amount of items we've got right there. Absolute filth. That mainframe needs to go at one point though, 100%. But we're going for a scorer titanium white octane. Now, obviously you saw on the spreadsheet, it's around 7,000 credits a scorer. It's the third best cert in the game for the most popular item. So we're paying 8.1. Definitely a gamble, to say the least, but I'm not really too sure how it's going to work out. You are going to have to wait and see for the very next episode, and yeah, it could be a massive surprise. So yeah, looking at that right there for the next episode, my god, we can go absolutely mental if we actually shift off those titanium white items. But of course, part 23 just around the corner, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, and yeah, I will see you very, very soon.